Well, it's been a year. Time to dust her off.
Welcome to Jim's kitchen.
Well, here I am with my mom again, and we're gonna make something special. What are we gonna make?
We're gonna make chicken spaghetti today.
Nice.
Yep. Cut this angel hair spaghetti into about 2-inch pieces.
And we'll be boiling that for about 4 minutes. Grab a big bowl. Add that pasta to the bowl.
Okay, next thing we're gonna do is add 1 can of cream of chicken soup and 1 can of cream of celery soup. Just dump it in right on top of the spaghetti. Get it all?
Uh-oh.
Okay, perfect. And then we're going to add just, first of all, some salt and pepper, of course. As much as you want. Then we're going to add some seasoning salt.
Yes.
That's good. And a little bit of garlic salt.
Yes. Just a dash.
Just a dash. That's good. And then we need 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper.
It's a very small amount. But cayenne is spicy.
Yeah, but it's really not real spicy when you put it all together. Oh, taking me a while here. Getting a workout on these arms. Okay, now we have to add the chicken, but first I think I'm going to mix this up.
Chopped up a green pepper, a red pepper, and an onion, and then we sauteed that. Let's add it to the spaghetti. We got a rotisserie chicken and we tore it up a bit. Add it to the bowl.
Next we're going to add just a 1/2 cup of chicken broth to this. And mix it up a little more.
You need about 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese. We're using the sharp cheddar. Right inside. Chicken spaghetti sure sounds unique.
It looks yummy.
Put that in a prepared glass baking dish.
I usually have it greased.
We're gonna spread about a cup of cheese on top.
And now we're going to bake it in a 350 oven for about 45 minutes. Okay, and today I think we're gonna have the cameraman take it the taste.
Hi, everybody.
There you go, Kieran.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This looks amazing. Smells incredible. It's got a little bit of everything on here. We got a winner.
My mom got so upset that I put ginger in the pasta last night. She really loved that cat.